Welcome back. The Kern County Department of Public Health says Bakersfield ranks first in the nation when it comes to people that can't afford the food they need.
In our newest segment, California Health, 23 ABC's Scott Sheehan spoke with health officials about what the county is doing to solve this problem.
I have a lot of friends that are the same way. I have neighbors that are the same way. They choose between meals and bills.
Cheyenne Mendez lives near Riverview Church in Oildale. She's a caretaker of her mother and mother-in-law, who are both on disability.
They're gonna be like, look at her.
Mendez, too, is on Social Security and can't work because she injured her back. But when she can, she volunteers at Riverview Church.
And I go to church here, but I also come when they hand out food because I'm on a fixed income and there's 6 in my family.
Mendez says her fixed income is not enough to pay for her bills and to feed her family. It's weekly food distributions at drop-off locations like Riverview Church that help her make ends meet.
It makes me at ease a little bit because I don't have to worry about, oh, where's my son gonna get his little next snack from, especially during the summertime. Because he's home so much of the day, you know, I have to provide more snacks, more meals, and just a little bit you get, every little bit helps. Especially with the fruits and the vegetables, because those are the most expensive things to get in the store.
The weekly food distribution at Riverview Church is part of the Kern County Public Health's program, Waste Hunger, Not Food. The program launched last September, where public health officials rescue unopened or unused food from 56 schools, markets, and restaurants that might have otherwise been thrown away, then distribute the food throughout the community.
As of today, we have rescued more than 305,000 pounds of food, and it hasn't even been a year yet.
Michelle Corson with Public Health says 116,000 people in Kern County don't know where their next meal is coming from, and 1 in 4 Kern County children go to bed hungry. Waste Hunger Not Food is centered around better feeding a county that ranks #1 in the nation for people in a metropolitan area that cannot afford to buy food. How the program works is, inside a school, a student can choose not to eat their food and put it in a bin. That food is then sorted, stored, and a member of the Bakersfield Homeless Shelter distributes that food at a community drop-off location.
We have 32 churches right now that are distributing under City Serve with Kern County Public Health, and they absolutely love it because many of them are under-resourced, and so they don't have the ability to have the resources to really reach out into their neighborhood, which is exactly what the local church is called to do.
You have all the bags here. What was the process to get this food into the bags and then out to the people?
Okay, the food is brought to us. We distribute the food and sort it, and we bring it and we put it in bags equally so that the families can have it. Then we do the same thing with the milk. They come in, they get a bag of milk, a bag of food, and it goes to anyone that needs it. And then if they need more, they can come back and get more. And then if not, we take it out into the local community and give it out to them.
This Waste Hunger Not Food distribution handed out bags of carrots, apples, apple juice, cereal, and sandwiches, most of which came from local schools. And Mendez says she's happy to see schools, especially her son's school, wasting less food.
I would go through the lunch line with him or the breakfast line, and they'd say, he has to take that food. And I'm like, but he's not gonna eat the food. Give it to somebody, you know, that's gonna eat it. And I just think it's terrible, and I think this program is great that they found a way to give away the extra food. I think it's just wonderful.
For Mendez, she says she's blessed to be able to not only be a recipient of Waste Hunger Not Food, but also be able to volunteer to help others who, like her, have made that difficult decision between bills and meals.
It's my way of giving back to the Lord for everything that He gives to me. I've never gone, my kid has never gone without a meal. My family has never gone without a meal. We've never lived on the street. God has blessed my family with so much. I just want to give back. I just, even though I struggle, I feel like it's my job that I have to give back to what God gives me.
For California Health in Bakersfield, Scott Sheehan, 23 ABC, connecting you.